Introducing the all-new Abrams Covert portable siren system, featuring the Focus 2 X LED dash light, Logic 100-watt programmable siren system, light controller, and Ultra 100-watt compact siren speaker. We'll begin by transporting the kit to the vehicle and positioning it in the back seat for easy access. Unpacking the kit. Secure the kit with the seat belt. This will allow us to distribute its components throughout the vehicle effectively. Mount the lights using the provided mounting. Connecting the lights, run the wires across the vehicle under the running panels, and plug them into the 12-volt sockets in the case. This step is crucial for ensuring that all connections are easily accessible during the assembly process. Siren speaker placement. Placement of the siren speaker varies depending on the vehicle model. For our demonstration, we'll mount the speaker behind the grille of the police interceptor. The speaker will be secured using the provided clamps and knobs to the central support behind the grille or to any easy-access solid support mounting location. For a seamless installation and optimal performance of the Covert Siren System Kit, ensure all wires are correctly routed and connected. To ensure a smooth transition to the Covert Siren System Kit, place the remote on the center console for easy access. This ensures you can quickly and conveniently use it whenever needed. Power up and initiate testing.